Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, trip computer, clock, compass, fog lights, satellite radio, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.